In Ontario's Greater Toronto Area, a stretch of Forest Ridge Road in Richmond Hill provides an enclave where high-net-worth individuals congregate. Large estate homes attract the likes of corporate CEOs and NHL hockey players looking to enjoy privacy as well as easy access to Toronto. At $22 million Canadian, or nearly $16.5 million US, this majestic 2-acre estate is currently the most expensive home for sale in this exclusive neighborhood. Ornate detailing, along with the home's exceptional size, make for a grand palatial feel. Covering more than 22,000 square feet of interior space, the home includes 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. The entire property is gated with a large heated circular driveway that can accommodate more than 20 vehicles. Designed for grand entertaining as well as family life, the solid wood double-entry door, adorned with custom glass and metal details, sets the stage for what lies inside. The soaring grand foyer features a crystal chandelier, domed ceiling with skylight, heated marble tile flooring, and a double marble staircase with elegant wrought iron railings. The foyer opens into a formal dining room, the adjacent butler's pantry and kitchen. Dining room details include ornate ceiling molding, 3 chandeliers, and marble tile walls and floor. The kitchen comes complete with marble countertops, top-end appliances, ivory tone wood cabinets, and a center island. The butler's pantry contains a wine rack, lighted glass front cabinets, and prep kitchenette with a refrigerator, wine fridge, and oven. The estate is an entertainer's dream, with over-the-top amenities like a billiards room with a grand piano, a games room with a wet bar, lounge, and stage space, and a home theater with velvet-lined walls. The spacious home gym includes a range of equipment and a sauna. Rounding out the interior amenities on the home's lower level is an impressive 2-story indoor water park featuring an indoor pool with a waterfall and a jacuzzi grotto. Upstairs, a domed ceiling sitting area, Juliet balcony, elegant ensuite, and expansive dressing room make up the primary bedroom. Each of the 5 additional bedroom suites features soaring ceilings and opulent ensuites. The circular library is wood-paneled with floor-to-ceiling wood shelves, gas fireplace, and a coffered wood ceiling. Curved windows overlook the front yard. An elevator accesses all levels of the home. In addition to the main house, the property includes a 2,500 square foot self-contained apartment or in-law suite. 3 sets of French doors off the living room open to a stone terrace, looking out onto the backyard. Outside, the landscaped grounds contain multiple waterfalls, an outdoor fireplace, and a forested treehouse with a zipline.